What's that, Danny?
Santa's been. Oh. You have to wait. You have to wait, darling. You gotta wait. You gotta have breakfast first. Have breakfast first.
What crap, Mum? She comes and shows it to you and then says you can't have it.
Mum used to do.
Yeah, no, she never.
Who wants a baby? Billy?